How to add phone number in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application or any of your Gmail services and then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on the Manage Your Google Account option over here, and as you tap on Manage Your Google Account, simply select on the Personal Info. Now scroll down and you can see the option of phone. So simply tap on the phone option, and here what you simply need to do is you have to set up your phone number. So simply tap on the setup option over here, and as you tap on setup, you just have to mention your phone number, and before that you'll have to verify yourself, and as you do that, you'll just be able to add your phone number on your Google account or Gmail. So make sure you have stable internet connection. Now just tap on setup and just tap on the numbers. So you just have to mention your phone number, verify yourself, and that's how you can add your phone number in Gmail. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.